Hello everyone. Here we are at my friend's house. Here we are at my friend's house, and here is their air conditioners. Here we got a Carrier Comfort, and we got a Ducane air conditioner. We got Ducane right here. It's a Carrier. It's not running. It's got a broad ocean fan motor. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor, R410A refrigerant. It is from 2013. That has not been running. It's got a filter dryer. Here's a Ducane running. Yep, here's a Ducane. Compressor. It is running. Looks like it's from 2005. Here I got a 2013 Carrier and a 2005 Ducane at my friend's house. So yeah, we get a good picture of those for my I'm gonna get a good picture of those for my thumbnail. There we go. Alright, anyways, thank you for watching. Over and out.